Hi everyone, this is a little continuation from the amazing results I've had with castor oil. Now, if you haven't seen the first video, I will put the link down in the description below. There were 9 things that I worked on in my entire health regime. Certain parts of my body needed help. So if you want to see the results I got using it on those parts of the body, watch that video first. But this video is just to show you which castor oil I use. As many of you have asked in the thread, this is an organic castor oil and the company is Amore Organic. Okay, 500 milliliters and it's from Amore natural.co.uk. So this is a UK one. So I'll just show you nice and close so you can get all the details off that. I'm not an affiliate, it's just the one I use and it's been very, very good for me. As you know, I used it for the little thing that was growing on my nose, a lump on my back, which I've reduced substantially, and also veins, varicose veins, spider veins, and also for the lines that I got here from when I lost a lot of weight during COVID, and also regrowing, well, my eyebrows were already pretty dark, but regrowing, you know, from a lot of plucking in the 80s and over plucking, so that's grown back and I don't want any more eyebrows, so I've stopped putting it on my eyebrows. Also the eyelashes, the floaters for the eyes, as I already previously mentioned, and spots on the hands and the forehead from sun damage, okay? So the floaters being those of you that wear glasses or you need to wear glasses and you see those little floaty, spidery, webby things that go across your eyes. So I'll put the details down below for this, and I'm also going to address those of you that asked about the hair regrowth with the biotin. I'm going to do a separate video for you just on that. All right, so all the details about the castor oil down below and the other video that I did that tells you in more detail what results I got for all these amazing things. Lots of love.